Hello friends, welcome to CCV Knowledge Hub. In this session, we are going to learn objects in Salesforce. So first we will see what is objects. Objects are nothing but tables in the regular database. So one object contains one table in the Salesforce database. Any data stored in the Salesforce will be saved in objects. So there are two types of objects available, standard objects and custom objects. First we'll see standard objects. Objects which are created by the Salesforce are called standard objects. For example, if we log into Salesforce application, so there are different tabs available, right? Accounts, contacts, user profile, leads, all these are stored in the form of tables in the regular database. So standard objects cannot be deleted. Standard objects can be customized. That means we can add, if we want extra fields we can add, but we cannot completely delete, permanently delete from the database. Next, second one is custom objects. These are objects created by user as per the business requirement. All the custom objects are append with underscore C. This is very important. Standard objects and the regular custom objects, how we will differentiate means this is the, by using in the code also, by using the, while writing the Apex code also, we will use underscore C. For every object, Salesforce will give 3-character code. Based on that code only, SF will identify the objects. Objects we can create in 3 ways: metadata SOAP API, web services, standard navigation, and schema builder. So examples: customer, so loan, so how it is appending underscore C. By default, custom objects appending with underscore C. Payments underscore C. Loan underscore C. So what is the navigation? How to create the objects in Salesforce? So first we need to open setup, build, create objects, new custom object option we need to select in the classic version. Same if we want to create in Lightning, setup, platform tools, objects and fields, create new object. So here different options we will get. First step is enter object label. So here I am taking employee, example employee. So objects are displayed in the on the user interface with the object label. The second step is enter floral label, example employees. Third step is enter object name. If we want to refer to the object programmatically, we use object name. Fourth step is context sensitive help settings. On every object, Salesforce provides help for that particular page. So when we click on this link, which document should be opened is defined using these settings. So while creating object only, you need to decide all these options. Open the standard salesforce.com help and training window. If this option is selected, Salesforce standard document will be opened. Open a window using a Visual Force page. If we choose this option, it will open another Visual Force page. So there are different options available here. For if you want to open the help document, there are different ways. So record name, label and data types. So here we will select default. Every custom object create one standard field with name. So with what label this field should be displayed on the UI is defined as the record name label. So this is a required field, mandatory. So this will accept only text and auto number as data type. If we choose the data type as text, it will accept alphanumeric data and the user has manually entered the data. So if we choose the data type as auto number, then system will generate the database on the format. Different formats we can define here. So here example I took INV and so invoice to start with 000, right? Start with 0 and first record it will give the ID as 1 and second record 2, third record 3. Or different formats we can follow. Next step is optional features. So here different options we can select based on our requirement. That is there are 4 different options available. Allow reports, allow activities, track field history and allow in charter group. And seventh step is object classification. Allow sharing, allow bulk API access, allow streaming API access. If we enable all 3 options, then it is enterprise application object. If we disable any one of this option, we call it as a lightning application object. So step number 8. Next one is deployment status. So in deployment, deployed, there are 2 different options available while creating object. If we select in deployment, if we enable this option, only administrator will be able to access this particular object. No other user can be able to see. If we select deployed, if we enable this option, all the users in the organization can access this object based on the security model of the organization. Next one is step 9, allow search. If we enable this option, content of this object can be searched from global search. So we have different global search available, right? So from there we can search this particular object. Step number 10, object creation option. This option can be enabled or disabled only at the time of creating an object. Add nodes, attachments, launch new custom tab wizard after saving the custom objects. Friends, these are the 10 different options you need to remember while creating objects in Salesforce, whether you are using Classic or Lightning. Thank you, friends. If you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub. Thank you so much.